Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ghidra latest version, that is 11.3.2 on Windows 10 or 11 or servers. Okay, so first go to Ghidra official website, that is ghidra-sre.org. Hit enter. Then see here, Ghidra is a software reverse engineering suite of tools developed by NSA Research Directorate in support of cybersecurity mission. Click on download from GitHub. Then see here the latest release is 11.3.2. Okay, so click on this Ghidra 11.3.2 public zip file. Click on it. See download started. Go to download. See here its size is 426 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, go to this installation guide. Then click on this minimum requirements. See here the hardware must have 4 GB RAM, 1 GB storage and Java 21 and Python 3.9 to 3.13. So open CMD, that is command prompt, verify Java version, Java --version. See we have the Java 17, so we must have the Java 21. So click on this adapt team, also verify the Python version, Python 3. So give Python. See, I have Python 3.13. It is the latest one. If you don't have Python version, then search for my YouTube channel how to download and install Python. Or go to, it is very simple, go to python.org. Then click on download and see here we have the download Python 3.13. Download it and install it. Okay. So it is in progress. Now download Java JDK 21. Click on this adapt team tamarind. Then we have to select the operating system. Select operating system. Wait a moment, it will populate the all operating systems. See here it populated. Select Windows. Then select architecture x64-bit. Then select the package JDK. Then select the version 21 LTS. Then download this MSI file. Click on this download button. Wait a moment, download will be started. Go to download. See here download started. See its size is 171 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See Ghidra download is completed. Now go to the folder. Right click on it. Select any WinRAR 7-zip, then click on extract to. See it is successfully extracted to this folder, this directory. Hit enter, then go to this directory. See here. See extraction is completed. Now go to downloads. See JDK 21 also downloaded. Click on this MSI file to install. Click on next. Select this, I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. Then select the type installation scope, for you or for all. So select for all. See this is the installation directory. Click on next. Click on install. See we have successfully installed. Now go to extracted folder. Then double click on this Ghidra run.bat file. So it is Windows batch file. Hit enter. Now it opened. Now select this. I agree. See it is loading. Close this one. See we got the Ghidra project. This is the L file. Let me close this one. And see here, if you want to verify the version of the Ghidra, click on about Ghidra. See here, we have the Ghidra 11.3.2 and the version of the Java is this one. Okay, and if you want to create project, go to file and select new project. If you have an existing project, select open project. If you want delete project, select delete project. And see here, if you want to configure, see here, these are the tools. You can select these. Okay, if you want to install extensions, click on extensions. see here we have these extensions, sample, etc. Select them and okay, and exit. Okay, edit. See here we have the tool options, plugin path, set PK certificate, then switch the themes. Okay, tools, help. See here we again, if you want to open the help file, click on contents. See here we have the help. Okay, so we have successfully installed, so this file is not required anymore, so remove this JDK. Okay, also remove this, both this zip file and MSI files. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install or set up Ghidra 11.3.2 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.